Alright, let's look at how I would graph this inequality. 2x minus 3y is less than 12. I would start off by figuring out what my x and y intercept are. Again, you could graph this using slope-intercept form, but I'm going to choose to use the x and the y intercept. So if the x coordinate is 0, that part goes away. We end up with the equation negative 3y is, equals 12. I'm looking at the line, so I'm pretending this is an equal sign while I'm working with it. I'll figure out the direction of shading at the end of the question. I need to start off with my boundary line though. So we get negative 3y equals 12, divide both sides by negative 3, we end up with y equals negative 4. So this gives us the point 0, negative 4. Similarly, if the y coordinate is equal to 0, that part goes to 0, then we get 2x is less than 12, or 2x equals 12, which gives us x equals 6. So that's the point 6, 0, because I said the y coordinate was 0 there. So graphing these, we have the point 0, negative 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's down here. And the point 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, which is over here. And our line, well, I guess before I draw the line in there, I don't want to just start in with a solid line, because this one, it has a strict inequality. Means we're going to use a dashed line. So I'll go ahead and draw a dashed line in here. That's my border, my boundary. And now I need to figure out which way I would shade. Do I want to shade this way, above and to the left, or do I want to shade this way, below and to the right? So it's not exactly clear when I'm looking at this which way I want to shade, but what I do know is that any point on one side of the line is, I don't know which side that is, but any point on the correct side of the line will satisfy the inequality. Any point that's not on the correct side of the line will not. So what I'll do is I'll just test a point. And the point my favorite point to test here is the origin, because plugging in zeros into an inequality is exceptionally easy. If I start off with 2x minus 3y and I plug in zeros for both x and y, I get 0 minus 0. So 0 is less than 12 is true, which means this is 0, 0 right here. That's the point I tested. I found that that point does satisfy the inequality, which means that this side of the line satisfies the inequality. So that's the side I would want to shade. There's my inequality.